Hi everyone, welcome to my room. Today I'm going to be making flexible seating with milk crates with padding on the top. Now I've never done this before, so it's going to be a learning process. Some people make it usable, so they put like a wood piece here and then put the foam on that, wrap the fabric around and like staple it up. I couldn't find any cheap wood. I am only a second-year teacher, so I was trying to stay on a budget. So what I'm gonna do, instead of I was gonna just store this in the closet anyhow. Instead of using it for storage, I'm gonna flip it upside down and I'm going to make the seating on the top, so I already have a sturdy surface. To make this, what I think I'm gonna need is a milk crate. I bought these foam cushions from Walmart, and then I got some fabric. I don't have a stapler, which I don't think would work since I don't have a board. So I'm gonna use a needle and thread and kind of sew it in. So I'm gonna put this on a fast video and you guys can watch my process. Okay, so welcome back. That process was much easier than what I expected. These do not look perfect, but I'm kind of in the mood this year where, you know what, perfect isn't real. My whole life, I've always been striving to be perfect, and I could spend hours making sure the corners line up perfectly, but I mean, this took me 10 minutes to do. So this is what they look like. I made 2 of them in 10 minutes. Just like that. I could make them a little bit more flatter on the sides, but you really can't tell. And I want to show you what I did. So basically I cut the foam out. You guys kind of saw that process to the size that I wanted it to be. I probably should have cut it just a little bit bigger because the corners did fold in a little bit, kind of like when you're sewing. And then I cut the fabric out to be bigger than what I needed as well. And I just tied them through the holes. I just looped the corners into the holes and then tied the corners. It might be better to tie across. I'll have to check that out and let you guys know. But then I did the same thing to the other one, and this is what they look like. So, okay, so now I'm gonna be making the white ones. This is going in my rainbow room, so I am using this fabric. This fabric isn't as big as the other fabric was, so I don't think it's gonna work the same way. I think I might actually have to sew this, but I'm just gonna try and see, and I will put it on fast pace unless I realize I can do it, and then I'll bring you guys back so I can kind of give you a step-by-step on how this is gonna work, okay? So catch me back on the flip for the update on these crates. What I'm going to try to do now is I'm going to try to use yarn to lace it through the holes. So we'll see how that goes. Stick with me and catch me on the flip for the update. All right, welcome back, guys. So I just did the tie on it. This is so much better It looks better, it's more sturdy. The sides don't look too bad. I might still cut some a little bit, but I would say all in all, not too shabby. I do prefer the tie ones underneath a little bit more, but these honestly probably do look a little bit more professional. So those are my flexible seating crates. Again, if you have questions or comments, or you just haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that, and I'll catch you guys next time.